Hello everyone, welcome to Nails of Interest. I hope everyone's doing good today. Today I have an exciting video for you. Today I'm going to unbox my first double dip nail powder package. They kindly sent to me this package. I have no idea what's in it yet. I really haven't looked. I did have my husband take a peek and see if anything was damaged. He said it looked good. And I'm going to tell you how you can win up to 2,000 worth of dip colors. They're also able to be used as acrylic powders. So these are dip powders, acrylic powders. So you can use it with your monomer or you can use it with the dip liquids. And I'm excited about this bingo game that they're coming up with on Facebook. I'm going to have the link to their Facebook down below. And I'll try to see if I can link the post directly to where you can see how to win this, to enter this dip powder game. And I'll put some information on the screen. And this is how my order came. It's just this white box with a little lid that pops up. Sorry I don't have very much room to show. And it has this gorgeous peach colored paper. This is what it looks like when you pull the paper off. With a thank you note. I'm going to pull some of these things out. And it's just going to be an unboxing today. And they have weekly giveaways apparently. For a chance to win, you scan this with your camera to figure all that out. And they did give me a code NOI15 to save 15% off. And it's the doubledipstore.com and on Instagram at doubledipnails. They say to use the hashtag doubledipnails when you post about their products. In here is this cute bag. Everything's packed in here really tight. It's a cute bag. And let's see what's in here. They have them well sealed. They're extra sealed. This is doubledipstore.com red flakes. So red flaky glitter came with my package. And these are their dip colors that are also acrylics. And let's see what colors I've got. I have peach peel, magnolia, and lemon sparkle. That's 640, 565, and 528. Let me just get into them real quick. They come nicely sealed up. Okay, this is 528 lemon sparkle. Let's see. It's sealed like that. This is a really fine powder. I just got it. Yeah, this is a super fine. Look at that. How fine that powder is. I've heard great things about this company and how the products work. I'll swatch these out in a future video. This is 640 peach peel. Oh, and you can see the sparkle in there. Look at that. Oh. I mean, just look. It's very, 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 very fine powder. Very, very fine glitters. Seems like it would be easy to apply and use. Nice big bottle for reaching in. And we have 565 magnolia. Also a super fine powder. Looks like a lovely light purple. You can tell from the lid. Just gonna set these back inside, seal them back up. Also included in my box, look at this. Enchanted Glam powder brush. I'm gonna need some scissors to get in there, but this is gorgeous. Oh, gorgeous. There's of course your dip powder instruction booklet, and I'll go over this more in another video where I actually apply this. You can use it on natural nails, fake nails. I like to use them on full coverage tips. You know, you press them on afterwards. That is an awesome way to use it. Or you can put tips on and make extensions with this dip powder. And it has a QR code so that you can scan it so you don't ruin your nails. So with more technical help, it even tells you some tips how to prevent your brush from hardening, etc., etc. Still have one more cool thing. I don't know what's in here. It's another beautiful little baggie. I've got a nail buffer, 5 replacement brushes, 2 orange wood sticks, a little file, So this is basically your starter kit, and they give you their email address and phone number as well if you're having any problems. Let's see what the liquid system is like. Okay, these are color coded. It's gonna be a little hard for me to show it to you. This is their dip base. This would be your step 1 that you put on first after you clean and prep your nails. It's color coded with a red lid. I like the color coding. This is the activator. This is what hardens the dip powder to your nails. It's really hard to see with the clear bottle. These are heavy glass bottles. It has their ingredients on there. This is their top coat, so it is a 3 liquid system. 1 being the base, 1 being the activator that makes it hard, 1 being your nice glossy top coat. And then it comes with cuticle nourishing oil. Every one of these bottles has their website on it. So these are 15 milliliter or 0.5 fluid ounce bottles. I'm gonna take my first smell of these. They have the funnel inside to where you could wipe your. Okay, this one has a strong odor if you put it to your nose, but from like a foot away, I'm not smelling anything. But of course, I'm not playing with it yet. You do want to put a little petroleum jelly around your lids just in case. I'll be doing that as soon as I get done filming. This is your activator. I've smelled this smell before. I just couldn't tell you what it smells like. It is strong if you put it near your nose, so please don't be inhaling the products. This is the top coat. It's a nice looking top coat. Smells like most any top coats I've ever smelled. And we gotta smell that I don't detect any odor. Let me see how it feels. It's a lightweight cuticle oil. Go ahead and cuticle oil up my nails. They need it. It feels good. This contains something I can't pronounce. Another seed oil, sweet almond oil, canola oil, jojoba seed oil, coconut oil, and fragrance and vitamin E. Fragrance, but I don't really smell a fragrance. Maybe. Okay, so this is how you can win up to $2,000 worth of prizes. First, you'll get a bingo card with any purchase of $15 or more, and then it increases like $50 you get 2 cards, $100 you get 3 cards, and they just keep adding on. And starting on Facebook on, I believe it's July 20th, they'll announce 5 colors, just like bingo, like B4 or whatever. They'll say atomic orange perhaps, and 4 other colors, and you just mark off with a pen or pencil. Don't cover the names up so they can see it. And if you make a bingo across, diagonal, straight up and down, take a picture of that and send it to them. And I believe they'll announce 5 colors each day. They said they'll make adjustments if your card's late arriving. I'm not sure all that, but you can go to the Facebook group. I'll link it down below. And you purchase these powders from the doubledipstore.com. Be sure to use code NOI15 to save 15% off your purchase, any purchase from their store. I think by July 24th, 2020, all the colors should be announced. And if you have 5 in a row, you know, the regular bingo way, any direction, crisscross, you email support@doubledipstore.com with a clear image of your card where they can read the names, write down the names that were called that you got your bingo on, give them your full name and your order number, and they will put you in for the chance to win $2,000 worth of prizes from Double Dip Nails. I'm not sure what all the prizes are. You'll have to check out doubledipstore.com and their Facebook group down below. And I want to thank the Double Dip shop for sending me this awesome PR package. Thank you everyone for watching. I'm going to swatch these out pretty soon. Thank you everyone. Have a great day. Till next time, you be you and I'll be me. Bye bye.